Alright, so I've made it to Port Jefferson. I've got an hour wait for the ferry. It's an hour and a half, so it's basically probably 3 hours down out of this day, which is fine. Some days you have to be used to and accustomed to the fact that Alright, Port Jefferson. I was told I can't film on the property of the ferry, so let's walk around Port Jefferson. Beautiful little town. Let's pan around. This is the little downtown area. There's a Kilman's ice cream, not good for my diet. I'm gonna find something to eat. Seafood. There's a hotel and marina. Busy little place. That's the, looks like a power plant of some sort. All right. I don't know what that is over there. Interesting looking building. I guess there's only one way to find out. We're gonna walk downtown and see what I can find to eat on my diet, and then when I get there, I'll tell you exactly what it is, and even show you before Big Boy chows down. It's like dessert must be good down here because there's Kilman's. I know they make ice cream. It looks like candy. Here's another Italian Ice's ice cream. Oh, there's a Starbucks. Worst comes to worst, we'll grab some coffee. Tommy's Place, family dining. Look at that cool building. There's a wine tasting. We don't drink wine. The East End Shirt Company. Maybe we'll grab one, a souvenir. As far as I know, Starbucks is not going to be good for my diet because, according to Joni, I only like the girly drinks. And the last time I went on a low carb diet, I was in the drive-thru when I realized, wait a minute, I don't think this caramel macchiato is on the diet, and that ended it the last time. Here's a Dunkin'. Imagine that, a pizza place in New York. It's kind of cliche, but when it's good, it's good. Brewology, that sounds good. Thomas Kincaid, I'm assuming that's paintings. The Amazing Olive, Joey's Pita Cafe. Of course, the one place I would eat, the barbecue place, is not open for lunch. Awesome. Hey, that would be a good one. That'd make a great video. Go to the psychic astrologer. She probably won't let you record, but that'd be great. Something smells really good though. We're gonna find out what that is. Alright. I guess that's the boat I'm on, Park City. They must be on break, lunch, something. I don't know why we're waiting. Hey, look. Big stick. I don't know what y'all can see up there, but it's a lovely day. 47 and this. So yeah, I didn't find anything to eat. Everything was, I need a salad or I need some kind of small steak. I didn't know if I had enough time for that. All the restaurants are pizza and that kind of stuff. You saw them down the street. And man, I got to stay on this diet. It's very important. So I'll just wait till I get to the other side. No big deal. All right. Next up, scenes from. All right, here's your first look. Aren't y'all glad I have the wind muff now? The little baby wind muff. Wonder what real estate over there costs. It's gotta be cheap, right? This thing's cruising pretty good. Look at all the cars. Look at the van tucked in up against the wall. I can park. Full, huh? Alright, this is the inside. Grab something to eat. I'm sure the low carb options are like slim and none. Look at the boat. They even got a cocktail lounge. We should drink a beer on the boat. What do y'all think? It's gonna be really cold out here, but the things I do for YouTube, right? I might be the only one out here. Crap. Right. Yeah. As y'all can see, look at everybody up here. You want me to go operate that? Yeah. Tugboat pulling on, see barges. There's the power plant way back there. There's the England way out there. Looks like another boat out in the distance. Not that y'all can probably hear anything because of the wind. Ride. So are y'all ready to look at this for the next hour and a half? That's awesome, man. Next stop, Bridgeport, Connecticut. Y'all said y'all want to go to Massachusetts tonight. Somebody asked me something. I'm like, you mean you don't think I live here? Could it be something wrong with this outrageous accent? Alright, we'll show you the whole boat. There's 198 life jackets. I'm the only one up here dumb enough to come up here. If you're really bad, they throw you in a little boat and tell you to get the hell off the boat. That's what happens when you're really bad. I'm too cheap to put a quarter there. Not to mention I don't have a quarter. These are depth charges. These are where we go to attack, get the submarines with. Too bad I can't get to the front of the boat and do the Titanic scene for you. Yeah, my mind thinks this crazy crap. Alright, that's what I'm here for, your entertainment. I think I can actually go down the backside. Let's go get the computer. I'm gonna sit upstairs, I'm gonna edit some video. Yeah, once you've seen about 2 minutes of this, you've seen about 10 years of this stuff. Old Glory on the back of the boat, that's cool. Y'all see that car about to fall off? I think we're about right here. This is the second time riding this one this way. Rode a couple years ago, and then there are a couple ferries that run around one because this is not anything new. It's really clean. You can see the guys up there, they're working everything out. It's a very clean boat, I reckon. All right, just a tip: do not use in rough weather. Walk up the stairs, damn it. Not to mention, I don't want muster at the bar station. Well, what do you do with the ketchup? You know, somebody had to say it.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide, y'all.